Hello and welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest news and updates from the world of celebrities. In today's video, we'll be discussing the one and only Kylie Jenner. Kylie is one of the most well-known and influential celebrities in the world, and her life is always a topic of interest for fans and media alike. From her successful business ventures to her personal life, we're going to give you a rundown of everything you need to know about this celebrity icon. So let's get started. Kylie Jenner rose to fame as a member of the Kardashian-Jenner family, but she has since become a force to be reckoned with in her own right. In 2015, Kylie launched her own cosmetics brand, Kylie Cosmetics, which has since become one of the most successful makeup brands in the world. The brand's popularity is due in no small part to Kylie's massive social media following, which includes over 200 million Instagram followers. Aside from her cosmetics brand, Kylie has also dabbled in other business ventures. She has released her own line of skincare products, Kylie Skin, and has partnered with various companies to release clothing and accessory collections. Kylie is also no stranger to controversy, and she has faced backlash for her business practices, including accusations of cultural appropriation. When it comes to her personal life, Kylie is known for her high-profile relationships. She famously dated rapper Tyga for several years before splitting in 2017. In February 2018, she gave birth to her daughter, Stormi Webster, with then-boyfriend Travis Scott. The couple had an on-and-off relationship, but they officially called it quits in October 2019. Kylie's personal life has also been the subject of much speculation in the media. She's been accused of using plastic surgery to enhance her appearance, which she has denied. She has also been criticized for her parenting style, with some accusing her of being too focused on her career and not spending enough time with her daughter. Despite the controversies, Kylie remains one of the most influential celebrities in the world. She is known for her impeccable style and has been featured on numerous magazine covers. She has also been recognized for her philanthropic work, including donating to various charities and organizations. And that's all the information we have on the one and only Kylie Jenner. She's an icon in the world of beauty and fashion, and her personal life is always a topic of interest for fans and media alike. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates on your favorite celebrities, and we'll be back with more exciting news soon. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.